Hi friends, if we are in a plan to make a website for software services landing page, this video is for you. This video going to show you a very wonderful theme for the websites willing to showcase the software and its services, related services of course. And this is a landing page website. This theme is called Minfox. Mainfox is a software landing page WordPress theme, and it has been developed by 9theme. The theme was developed in 2016, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done. And this is the demo website of Mainfox WordPress theme. And as I told, this is a landing page website theme, and it has all the features to showcase a software service, and of course it has multiple demos, so you can choose any for your website project. The sliders are specifically made for all elements are specifically made for the showcasing the software and its associated pages. And a software website exactly needs such website, and you can use videos as well on the landing page. So, and there is one Parallax image demo as well. So if you are in plan to make a website for yourself, and if you are dealing in software services, this theme is going to be a good catch for you, and it has already made a good mark in the software landing page websites. So in this video we are going to install the Minfox WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and preview the theme features available with the theme. And for this I have a fresh installation of WordPress, in which latest version of WordPress is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing, plugins. There are some plugins included in the theme pack, changelog, docs, and the main theme file, that is Minfox. So let us begin the installation. For installing the Minfox WordPress theme, go to the theme section of WordPress. I assume you have already installed the WordPress. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose minfox.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. However, both activities are same. Don't get confused. You can choose any. Either you can upload from the WordPress interface, or you can directly upload on your server. And the theme size is very less. It is just 2.13 MB. It is a lightweight theme, and it will definitely work fast on the website. And now extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this empty Minfox folder, in which we got all the theme components, folder and files. And now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. Now go to the theme section again, and this is Minfox, and it is now available as another theme option at our installation. Let us check the details. It is anti Minfox, and it is version 1.4.7 by 9 themes, and we designed it using a mobile first approach, meaning your content takes center stage regardless of whether your version arrives by a smartphone, tablet, laptop or desktop computer. Okay, it is fine. So activate it. It is saying it is Mainfox responsive landing page, and now upon activation we got landed on the setup wizard page, which is of course a very good feature. So I appreciate this feature. I used to get in some good themes. So let us follow the on-screen instructions and go with the setup wizard. Let us start, and it is saying install child theme. We will do that, and child theme has been created and installed. Next is install plugins, and these are the list of plugins. So this is Metabox, Metabox tab, page builder, theme options panel, breadcrumb, contact form, and these four are required and rest are recommended, but we will install all the plugins as I need to showcase all the features in this video. You can opt not to install whichever is not required, and like I'm skipping the Envato auto update. I don't need this, and rest we can keep as it is. So okay, so let us install the plugin. Just click on install, and the installation of plugin has been started. It will take a bit time, however it is an automated process. We have nothing to do at this screen except clicking on the install. So we have to wait until the plugin or set of selected plugins gets installed, and don't try to leave or refresh this page. It is necessary activity, so your patience is required on this screen, and let the process to be completed. And now all the plugins is about to start. And now the screen is being navigated to import content. So next is importing content option, and you can even choose here not to import all the contents, and you can make your website from fresh on scratch, but definitely I will recommend to import the demo contents. So let us import, and the demo import has been started, and the progress bar showing in percentage what is going on and up to what extent the content has been imported. So again this screen needs your patience, and we have to wait and at this screen, and it is not taking much time. In fact, it got done in seconds, and import content is complete and all done. Have fun, visit your website. Okay, fine. Let us check what is with us now. And yes, a wonderful website is here. In just few simple steps, we got a wonderful website, landing page website for software landing page, software services, and it is really good that it is hassle free, and we got all the home pages as well. So what you need else? You just need to put the original content images and text, and your website is ready. It is more than easy to handle. And since we have completed the installation, I'll show you the theme panel, theme options. Let us check what we got additional in the WordPress installation. Portfolio is additional, price is additional. You can handle price items from here, and these are the price packs. You can definitely add your own team. You can handle team members here. Rest things are common as in WordPress and Metabox. Okay, fine. So nothing is too big in this theme, and I believe basic customization can be done from here. And header image, so theme options was there and just now, and this is the theme option under appearance section. Theme options is there. I'll show you the okay, so these are the controls which we got with the theme. And Google Fonts, first of all, typography, general color, logo can be uploaded from this interface, preloader, navigation, sidebar type, sidebar color, blog page, blog post color, single page, archive, 404, search page, breadcrumbs, and footer. So everything is here for controlling your website, and we got a wonderful website in this activity, and our website is ready to go with the original content, and you can do it simply. And that is now I'll show you how to edit the page contents, and this theme uses the bakery page builder, so it is always easy to edit the contents of page. And the front end editor is loading up, and what you have to do, just click on pencil icon, so all will be here, and you can simply change the text, close, and wherever you will click, you'll get a pencil icon, and you can update the content. So keep the same length content to maintain the integrity of design. And let us say if you want to edit this image, this is simple to edit. Here is the image, and what I'll advise, to make a copy of this home page using a duplicator plugin. I'll show you the backend editor as well. So make a copy of this page using a duplicator plugin, and then edit this page. Just in case you made any mistake, you can use the copied, the backup of page, and you will surely make a good website with this theme. And this is the backend editor. It is comparatively more simple, so this is why I always recommend to use the backend editor. And you can even delete any section or add any section here on this screen. Both interface, front end and back end, it is available, but backend editor gives you an extra edge to handle the contents. So all is fine with this theme, and I'm sure you liked this video and you have already subscribed. If not, just please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful videos and plugins and utilities for you, along with the how-to guide of WordPress. So subscribe this channel and be in touch, stay in touch. And if you got any questions regarding this theme, just don't hesitate in writing in the comment section of this video. I'm going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme and even the hosting for your website. And be in touch. Thank you.